Hello to all my friends out there. So this is what I'm having for dinner. This is what I actually like to eat. I buy these potatoes at Walmart for 88 cents. So that's about 44 cents worth of potatoes. And I made it with this shelf-stable milk. And I'm surprised I let myself fall into these bad habits. But I just noticed, when I went back to work, that not working and sitting around eating all the time. And then also I quit drinking the 3 glasses of milk. And one of the reasons is because I wasn't eating any cereal because I didn't want to eat any cereal. But by eating shredded wheat, Raisin Bran, All Brand, any kind of half-decent cereal, you're also getting milk. And then I had some frozen peas. So basically, I think this is, I bought these chicken legs at Walmart. You get 15 for $5, so that's 33 cents each. So this is really cheaper. A lot of the fast food, frozen food is $2.12. And so how I made the chicken, my old tried and true way, is I just dusted it with flour, and I put some oil in a pan, and I baked it 350 on both sides, and I put some garlic, salt, and pepper, and that was it. So today I actually feel better. I have some weak tea back there. I laid off of the, what really made me sick, and I really didn't think about it. Actually, I felt good, but it was really kind of making me sick, was the caffeine-free Diet Coke. And the other thing I was doing is I was drinking Pepsi Mango. So, I don't know. I think when you have insomnia, you go, okay, I'm being good on my diet, so tonight I'm going to sleep. And you're not. Once you get your sleep messed up, you're not going to sleep just by eating better a couple days. But this is really another $1 dinner. Please like, comment. I buy these for $1. That's not counting the milk. I have 1 cup. So this is about, 4 cups? 1 cup of milk, so 2 cups. So 50 cents with the milk. But you can make these potatoes with water. But since I've been bad not drinking the milk, when I was raising my son, never was there dinner without milk. I don't know. This is just a really bad, probably everybody's been doing this. That's scary. Okay, you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe, and God bless you all.